Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is about CorelDraw 2018 and a new feature that they've added. I did a video doing this just the other day, and somebody was kind of questioning what I was doing or why it would help you. Well, I've got a box that I did a perspective on, and there's plenty of videos on that, but in 2018, we're going to make a duplicate of this, Control D, and just move it out of the way. And then while we got it selected, we're going to go to Effects and Add Perspective. So we're going to put our right there on that corner. We're going to put this one on this corner. We're going to put this one on this corner. And you can see it's really messing up with our drawing. I didn't quite get there. I want to zoom in a little bit. But then on this one, you're actually probably going to have to go past so you can see your box. Let's zoom in here a little bit. Get back to your shape tool, and it gives you your perspective again. And there you have a carton or a cube that would look like it's sitting on a shelf somewhere. And I'm not quite perfectly on this one because I see the white line, but you can always just put it there and you're done. Now, same thing up top. I'm not quite there. You could always go up to Effects and clear the perspective. You can back up. So let's do that one more time, and let's do it on the top, Control D, make a duplicate of it. And it gets a little hard because it's so dark. So let's, I should have picked another. You need to get your shape tool. We'll go up to and hit Add Perspective, and it gives you your shape tool. You should have, and it should just snap to that object. And now we can bring this one down to there and bring this one down to here. And that's not perfect. Get back to your shape tool, get your perspective back. Let's go past our block. Yeah, we're way off, or I was way off. But there you have like a cube. And now that you've got all everything selected, you could actually probably make the outline white, and it'll make your box a little more, I want to say more better, but it'll make it look better. Grab your shape tool again. We're not quite on the mark there. Anyway, that's pretty cool. You could never do that in any other version of Corel. Corel's added quite a few features in 2018. If you were showing a customer something and something you're going to engrave and it was a clip art, you've got a little more features now. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.